Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? So, inshallah, today we start the lesson number 2 from the letter Dal, from this letter. So, in lesson number 1, we have read completely from Alif to the letter Kha. Just we quickly repeat from Alif to the Ha, and then we go to the next lesson as a revision. Okay, so now we start from here. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha. Now the new lesson start from Dal. Dal, Zal. Next is Zal. This is the black color is Dal, and this is the orange color is Zal. Now you see here this one Dal and this one Zal, same in shape both are. So how we understand and how we different between these two letters, that is Dal. This one, the first one, the black color letter is Dal, has no any dot. Dal is null, empty, no any dot. Dal, this is the sign of Dal. There is no any dot, it is empty. This is Dal. And the next is Zal. This one is the orange color is Zal, and Zal has one dot at the top. This is the sign of Zal. So we understand this letter by one dot on the top. Zal. Here in this page, letter are in different colors. In Quran and other books, you see a letter in only one black or in another color. So we differentiate and we understand the letter by the letter sign, like Dal is empty and Zal and Dal same in shape, but Dal is empty, no any dot on Dal, and Zal, this one has a dot on the top. This is the between difference between these two letters. The first one, this is Dal, and the next one, this is Zal, and next is this one Ra. This one is Ra. Again, this is Ra. So next one is this one is Z. This one is Z. Z. Now you see here this one and this one same in shape. The shape is same. The difference between these two is the same thing we have read on Dal and Zal. So here also the same thing is here. Ra, the first one, this one is empty, no any dot. This is the sign of Ra. And this one, Za, this is the sign of Za, is one dot on the top. This is Za. We read this letter Z, has a one dot on the top of the letter. Okay, Jazakallah. So the next letter is, the next one is Sheen. Again, Sheen. Once again, Sheen. Now The next one is, this one is, you see, this one is Sheen. 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 Now you again see the same thing here. That is, this one seen and this one sheen is same in shape. The same shape is same. Just we look the letter, the shape of the both letter is same, but the difference between these two letters is, this one is seen, is empty, no any dot. This is the sign of seen. And this one letter is Sheen, and Sheen has three dots on the top. This one, the three dots you see on the top, this is the sign of Sheen. Okay, so we read this letter Sheen, and this one Seen. Okay, so now we repeat from starting of the new lesson number 2, from dal. 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 This one is dal, and this is dal. Dal, and this is ra. Ra. Ra, and this one is za. Za. Za, and this is sin. Sin. Sin, and this is sheen. 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 Now we quickly uh, again read from the starting letter from Alif again. Okay, if we repeat again and again these letters, so we are able to read it fluently, and we have easy to understand our letters. If we fully command on these letters, the alphabets of Arabic, so we have too easy to learn Quran and the other pages of this basic book. Okay, Jazakallah. So we read again. This one is Alif, and this is Ba, and this is Ta, and this one is Sa, and this is Jim, and this one is Ha, and this one is Kha. We read it bold and heavy. Okay, this is Dal, and this one is Zal, and this one is Ra, and this is Za, and this one is Sin, and this one is Sheen. Okay, Jazakallahu khair. So, dear student, this is our lesson number 2. The next day lesson, inshallah, the next day we read from the letter Sad, inshallah. Okay, so we uh, stop here for today. The next lesson, inshallah, we read tomorrow. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Take care.